Mind maps and flowcharts are visual tools that have revolutionized the way we organize information, brainstorm ideas, and enhance productivity. Originating from the brilliant minds of visual thinkers, these constructions provide a structured yet flexible approach to problem solving and idea generation. Their utility lies in their ability to simplify complex concepts, stimulate creativity, and improve understanding through visual representation. They serve as a bridge between abstract thoughts and tangible results, guiding users through a logical sequence of ideas and solutions. By leveraging spatial organization and nonlinear thinking, mind maps and flowcharts enable individuals to see the bigger picture while exploring intricate details. Their adaptability lends itself well to various fields, such as education, project management, and creative pursuits. As technology continues to advance, these visual tools remain integral in fostering innovation and streamlining complex processes. Mind maps were popularized by Tony Buzan. Mind maps allow individuals to capture, organize, and connect ideas in a visual format that enhances creativity and retention. Flowcharts, on the other hand, focus on depicting processes, sequences, and decision points to streamline workflows and optimize efficiency. Both tools empower users to break down complex information into digestible components, facilitating collaboration and problem solving. Incorporating these visual aids into daily practices can significantly boost productivity and innovation across various domains. For those looking to delve into the world of mind maps and flowcharts, there are several free online tools available. Platforms like MindMeister, LucidChart, and Canva offer user-friendly interfaces for creating dynamic and interactive visual diagrams. You can also create mind maps with other programs like PowerPoint. Utilizing these tools not only enhances personal productivity, but also promotes effective communication and collaboration within teams. The dynamic nature of visual diagrams allows for real-time updates and shared access, fostering a culture of innovation and transparency. Additionally, online platforms provide convenient storage and accessibility, enabling users to work seamlessly across different devices and locations. Embracing the power of mind maps and flowcharts opens pathways for enhanced creativity, clarity, and efficiency in diverse professional settings. Students can benefit greatly from utilizing mind maps and flowcharts to organize study material, brainstorm essay ideas, and create visual summaries of complex topics. By visually mapping out concepts and relationships, students can improve their understanding and retention of information, leading to better academic performance. For example, a student may use a mind map to organize a task, like writing an essay. Geologists can use these tools to map out geological formations, illustrate processes like rock cycles, and analyze data in a visual format for better interpretation. For professionals, mind maps and flowcharts are invaluable tools for strategic planning, process optimization, and decision-making. By visually structuring complex ideas and workflows, individuals can gain insights, identify dependencies, and drive innovative solutions. Additionally, these visual aids enhance communication and collaboration within teams, leading to streamlined workflows and increased productivity. Whether used in project management, business strategy development, or data analysis, the versatility of mind maps and flowcharts offers a powerful way to unleash creativity and achieve clarity in professional settings. Management professionals can streamline workflows, develop project timelines, and visualize organizational structures using mind maps and flowcharts to enhance communication and decision-making. Here are some ways management can benefit from the use of mind maps. Organizing information. Mind maps help to lay out information visually, making it easier to absorb and understand complex topics. Improving communication. Mind maps can be used to present information clearly and concisely, facilitating better communication between team members and higher-ups. Enhancing creativity. Mind maps encourage creative thinking and idea generation, providing a structured way to brainstorm and explore new concepts. Setting goals. Mind maps can be a useful tool for setting goals, outlining strategies, and tracking progress towards achieving objectives. Decision-making. Mind maps help in analyzing various options, considering different perspectives, and making informed decisions more efficiently. Monitoring projects. Mind maps can be used to create project timelines, assign tasks, and monitor progress, keeping managers informed and on track with project deadlines. Improving problem solving. Mind maps enable a more systematic approach to problem solving by breaking down issues into smaller components and finding solutions effectively. Artificial intelligence has further revolutionized the creation of mind maps and flowcharts by offering smart automation features, intelligent suggestions for layout and design, and seamless integration with other software tools. AI-powered platforms like MindMeister and Coggle have simplified visualizing ideas and concepts, making it more efficient and effective. We know that staring at a blank page is not the easiest way to start a mind map or a flowchart. But also, you can't leave all the work to the AI model. Here we're going to show you how to use a combination of free software to design the perfect start for your mind map and/or flowchart so you can complete it sooner. Mind Maps 1. On ChatGPT or any other model, type this prompt. I want to have a mind map about, for example, steps for using different language models to search for references about compositional data analysis. Include relevant subtopics, tools, and methodology to show the key points. Please provide a code box with markdown language. 2. Save the markdown file. 3. In your browser, go to xmind.app and download the free program onto your computer. 4. Now run xmind.app and open the markdown file you created in step 1. You will get an option of a mind map that you can modify as you wish and download or export for free. Flowcharts 1. In ChatGPT or any other model, type the following 3 prompts. A. Please provide steps in academic research. B. Please create a flowchart representing the steps for carrying out academic research, incorporating the above steps. Ensure that related steps are placed side by side. C. Please write mermaid code for this. D. Copy the mermaid code. 2. Now, in your browser, find and install Draw.io. A. Open Draw.io. B. Select flowchart and create new diagram. C. Click on the plus sign, select Advanced, and then Mermaid. D. Paste the text and watch your flowchart being created. E. You can modify any way you want, save and/or export the image. In conclusion, mind maps and flowcharts serve as powerful tools for enhancing creativity, improving comprehension, and boosting productivity across various fields. By leveraging free online resources and embracing AI technology, individuals and organizations can harness the full potential of these visual aids to unlock innovative solutions and streamline processes.
My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm a professional geologist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada, and also the president of Valls Geo Consultant. Geology, geochemistry, structural analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I am sure you will find something useful among my over 400 videos.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.